Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will explore Kartika Plaza Street and Tuban area in Kuta during the pandemic corona on October 2021. So if you want to know how the situation right there at the moment, just keep stay in touch. Check it out. Hello guys, how are you today? I hope you are fine. Okay guys, today we will explore Kartika Plaza area in Kuta on October 2021. Okay guys, now we are in Bakung Sari Street. In this area there is a lot of hotels and some shops. So that's why in this area before the pandemic corona there is a lot of people walk around the sidewalk. But today, yeah, there is not so many people walking on the sidewalk. But I'm really happy because on the street there is a lot motorbike and car drive around in this area. But if you see the right side, there is some shop is closed. But actually some shop also open but not so much. Actually, I gonna say in this area it's good to stay because just nearby to Legian Street, nearby to Kuta Beach and to Kartika Plaza Street, because in this area there is easy to find restaurant, art market, department store, and easy to go to the beach. Okay, from Bakung Sari Street we turn left and then we will explore Kartika Plaza Street. Yeah, now we are in Kartika Plaza Street. Actually, yesterday I got a customer from YouTube. They asking me to explore on Kartika Plaza Street and Tuban area. And now we will explore together Kartika Plaza Street. Right side, Melasti Hotel. Left side, Fan House Hotel. Just nearby each other. In this area before the pandemic corona, also a lot of people walking on the sidewalk because in this area there is a lot of hotel and easy to go to the central of Kuta. But today it looks still very quiet. At the front left side, there is Wadabum Park already open. And right side, there is Discovery Mall. Look at that, that is already open now. I'm really happy to see that. Yeah, they are open but still quiet. But I'm gonna say like it's much better than last month. Last month Discovery Mall was closed, but today they are open. That's good. Right side, Kartika Plaza Hotel. Balirani Hotel left side. Yeah, also look quiet. Okay guys, I want to say thank you very much for your support on this channel. You're already watching my video and subscribe my video. And also, if you just find this channel and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment. Also you can share this video because I believe there is a lot of people missing this area. You see it's very quiet, isn't it? And actually in this area there is a lot of big hotel. Mostly in the right side is west side. So the hotel is connecting by the beach. But today you see it's look very quiet. There's not so many cars drive around on this area. But if you see the weather today, it's very beautiful. I mean it's very clear, very sunny. Oh, there is taxi parking beside the street. That's good. In this area, also there is a lot of shop, souvenir shop. So that's why usually there is a lot of people walk around on the sidewalk. But again, now they still very quiet. And if you see to the right side, there is Lippo Mall Kuta. They are open, but still very quiet. Okay guys, have you ever been this area before? Yeah, I think you ever been this area before. It's so opposite way. Long time ago was very busy, but now since the pandemic corona, this area is very quiet. Okay, if I turn right, there is the way to go to the German beach. But I will turn left to explore Raya Kediri Street in Tuban. As my customer, they asking me to explore Tuban area. In this area, there is a lot small hotels and local people who live in this area. So in this area, even before the pandemic corona, is more local people than international tourists. If I turn right at the front, there is the way to go to the Denpasar airport. It's only 5-minute drive-in by motorbike. So this area just nearby Denpasar airport. If you see left side, there is a lot local shop. I mean, it's not for tourism. You see this area? Look busy, isn't it? Lot motorbike parking everywhere. Because as I told you, this is just for local people, not for tourism, who stay in this area. Oh no, it looks very quiet. Even local people in this area also very quiet since the pandemic corona. Because usually there is a lot of people come from another island. Maybe they come from Java, Sumatra, Kalimantan, Lombok. They come to Bali and working in this area. But since the pandemic corona, they back to their island because they lost the job during the pandemic corona. You see the weather today is very beautiful, isn't it? It's very clear. Oh, look at that. It's getting busier here. There's a lot more motorbike and car driving around in this area. And there is a lot of the shop is open. That's good. There is a lot motorbike parking beside the street and car also. You see big building left side? There is a mall, and also behind there is water circus. And right side there is military army office there. Okay guys, so this is the situation at the moment in Kartika Plaza Street and Tuban area. So if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment, also hit the bell because I will always update the new situation in Bali. Thank you for watching my video and see you in the next video. Bye bye.